Ne, sesingenile-ke njengamanje sesingenile. Ya 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 ya. Ya 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 ya. Ya ne, live njengamanje. Ya. Thanga ngihudule ngingene ngalolu suku lanamhlanje because siyazi ukuthi kule mpelasonto ebekade siphuma kuyona yangomhla ka 15 and 16 sibe nenkinga enkulu yani kagesi la ngikhona, but-ke njengamanje ngikhona ngenza isiqiniseko sokuthi angingene ngoba I know ukuthi abantu basuke bengilindile ngaleso sikhathi. Ngizamile-ke ukwenza i-communication ukuthi ngane zakwethu ngikhona, kodwa inkinga engibhekene nayo iyona le ebhekene ne-South Africa yonke, inkinga kagesi. Nevertheless-ke thina siyazi ukuthi inkinga kagesi, inkinga yamanzi, lezo inkinga lezo ney'ngqalasizinda, lezo zinto lezo ziyawukhubaza kakhulu umoya wabantu, imphefumulo yabantu iyakhubazeka ngalokho. So okomuntu nje ukuthi ahlale enze isiqiniseko sokuthi akabi reactive ngoba lezi zinto ziyimoya emibi kahle kahle, zonke nje ziyimoya emibi. So ngicela-ke ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ngiyezwakala loud and clear, ngoba njengamanje into engiyisebenzisayo la ngisebenzisa ikhadi engingajwayele ukulisebenzisa, but uma ukuthi khona ama-hiccups-ke I can quickly switch to another one. Let me switch to this one. I think let me hope ukuthi namanje ngise-connected. Ngiyabona ukuthi angise-connected. Lapha uyasho ku-Ben Ngwenya ukuthi ngisazwakala nje kahle, loud and clear. Ngiyabingelela-ke ingane zakwethu, ngiyanibingelela nani ma-YouTubers, ngiyanibingelela nje kakhulu. Ngiyazi ukuthi nisuke senibheke ngamehlo abovu mase kuthiwa human design recap, mase kuthiwa human design recap khona sebesuke sebebheke ngamehlo abovu ukuthi yini ekuzokhulunywa ngayo. It's human design namhlanje. I've just picked kube usuku le-human design, kodwa-ke kuzoba nesimemezelo kumele ukuthi ngisenze. Uma ukuthi lesimemezelo kuzomela ukuthi ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu abangezukusizwa, kodwa-ke kumele ngisenzile lesi simemezelo engizosenza. In fact bekade kumele senziwe nguSandy, yabo. So let me quickly check ukuthi can I get some people bethi sicela ukuthi usi-invite uma ngabe usula sendele ama-invite. Let me quickly check ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthola those people. Mina-ke iyona-ke into efike ingixake le yokusenda. Kuyaye kwenziwe njani? Ngibuye ngayithuli. Let me see. Sending the invite. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me check. There we go. I'm quickly sending invites to engikhona ukubabona la phezulu, njengoba nje whether Tevez, I can send the invite to Tevez. I don't know noma sijwayele ukuba naye la. Lana-ke kuvela ingqwele-ke la, ngingqwele le kuvela le ngqwele eDonkipiri la phezulu. Mina ngifuna labantu engibafunayo, ngizwa ngathi ngizobathola kanjani, but ngizosenda kulabo engibathola, yabo. I received an invite mina. As it is. Hayi kungcono-ke eyes. I am not feeling well. Bingelela-ke eyes, ngiyakwamukela ngalesi sikhathi. I am not feeling well, guys. I'm not feeling well, but anyways, kumele ukuthi siqhubeke. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngento ne-human design. Ngizokhuluma ngama 4. Yabo njengoba sidaliwe nje sikhona. I know there are people who are inboxing me with human design. There are a couple of people now. Isikhathi nesicelo senu sizwakele njengamanje. Sizwakele ngendaba ye-human design. We are going to level up. We are going to shift gears. Sekuzokwenzeka izinto person ngokwendlela ethanda ukuba serious. I'm not feeling well mfethu, nginomkhuhlane. I suspect ukuthi nginomkhuhlane. Kwazise phela nanokuthi ngomhla 20 kuzobe kuyi-equinox, angithi le equinox esithi ini i-autumnal equinox ngomhla 20, yabo. Then ngomhla 21 vele kuqala ini, kuqala i-Aries, yabo. So we are shifting gears ngoba autumnal equinox nje kusho ukuthi ke manje ilanga ke selizosibalekela, mhla 20 nje i-autumnal equinox, okusho ukuthi ke ubusuku nemini kuzobe kulingana, and ilanga liphekwe equator, ilanga lizobe liphekwe equator. After ilanga lizobe selisibalekela ke, kusho ukuthi umhlaba uzobe usutshekela kuphi la usulala kanje, kusho ukuthi usulala kanje hlobo ukubona, yabo. Kuthina ngala kube ubusika, so kusho ukuthi the North Pole is sliding forward, yebo, emhlabeni ngomhla ka 20 March. So ngicabanga ukuthi nakho lokho mhlawumbe imizimba yethu izo-react more, especially kade kuyi-full moon futhi, yabo. Kade kuyi-full moon nje ngomhla ka 14 and so there are a couple of things mfethu ezenzekalayo, i-full moon, ugula nyana, umkhuhlane nyana, kuba weak nyana, into eziningi, ukuphathwa ikhanda, yabo, ukuzizwa enye indlela nje ongajwayele ukuzizwa ngayo nawe, khombisa ukuthi ini ilokhungana i-full moon. So njoba sethi we are heading like towards ini equinox, obviously will react. Mawukuthi umkhuhlane wena akakuthinti, usazothi ukuthinta nawe for sure, yabo. Noma kungewona umkhuhlane kodwa umzimba wakho uzo-react, uzama uku-adjusta kwi-cosmos, ngoba uyi-nature. Awusebenzi ngokuthi wena ucabanga kanjani, uyisebenzela yayo yoku-respect i-nature, yabo. So ke kuyilokho nje. So good people ngizosenza ngasekugcineni, but into engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo ukuthi yabona njengoba sikhona la emhlabeni siba ngaka nje, we are having only 4 makes. Sinama make awu 4 abantu. Uma ukuthi siba 59 ethu awu 4, sinama lokungane, sinama type awu 4 kwi-humanity. So ngizongena kona lo ma type, and nawe ufola kwenye yalama types lawa awu 4, yabo. So lokho ukuthi wena ufola kiphi sizokubona uma ngabe sesivula i-chart lakho, ngoba nakho ukuthi ufola kiphi, ukuthi uzonzani la emhlabeni futhi again. Abantu ababizwa ngokuthi bangama-generator, labo bantu kuthiwa ama-generator, khona ama-manifestors, kube khona ama-projectors, kube khona ama-reflectors. So nawe ke ungena kwenye fole, nawe ngokwakho ungena kwenye yale fole. So one, asiqale ngama-generators, lolu hlobo labantu ekuthiwa ba ama-generator. Lana ngibala nalolu hlobo labantu lungama manifesting generator. Lolo hlobo lwabantu uhlobo lolo olune creative energy ngale ndlela. Lolo hlobo lwabantu uhlobo lolo oluzo sustaina lo mhlaba, luzo create ilife bese liyayi sustaina futhi lo hlobo lwabantu la emhlabeni. Luzela ukuthi luzo create new life and sustain it. Lolo hlobo it lolo hlobo. Those are the builders of this world. Shooting ngamanye amazwi, they are here to create what they like. They are here to be with the people and the partner whom they love. They are here for things that they love. Ama generators are not here to be frustrated, but ama generators are not here to be frustrated, but engayithola umuntu frustration empilweni yakhe uma engaphili ngale ndlela yena adalelwe ukuthi aphile ngayo. So these people lesithi ama generators bangukuthi lento ngiyihlukanise kanje. Lento ngiyihlukanise kanje so that the chronological presentation should be a chronological presentation. Uzoqala ngisho into ekuthiwa labo bani labo bazonzani la. What are to do? Yabo? Oh, nayi lento. Bazonzani labo bani la. Yini signature yabo? Yini strategy sabo? Ithini authority yabo? Labo bantu labo engikhuluma ngabo. Okay. Yabona njengoba ngithi ama generator nje. Kwisacral yabo ebenza ukuthi bakwazi ukucreate. They are creative. So yini so image role basically sengishilo ukuthi bayithandayo bese be experience in satisfaction. Labantu ababizwa ngama generator i-signature theme yabo empilweni yabo, if they do the things that they supposed to do at the right time, at the correct timing, they are going to experience what we call a satisfaction in their lives. Uma nje benza into abayithandayo bazozwa i-satisfaction ezimpilweni zabo, labo bantu ababizwa ngama generator. Uma benza lokho, if they are not doing what they love, what they like, they are going to experience into ebizwa nge-frustration in their lives. They are going to be frustrated. Mangithi signature yabo kuthiwa awuthi ngishintshe ke inqamuko, let me change it a little bit. Let me change this network thing. Let me shift gears a little bit. Let me change i-network provider. I think manje mhlambe kumele kube ngcono nje manje ngishintshe i-network provider. Mhlambe ke nabanye bangaconfirm ukuthi i-network ayingikhonzile namhlanje njengoba esho lapha uEyes, noma i-reality kaEyes nje kuphela. Nina ngalapha emasayidi agibela phe kombed noma ugibela phe kwestool noma ushintsha indlu uhlala kwenye indlu, yabo. Inabanye, are you experiencing the network breakup? Is it? Can I get your confirmation to experience the network breakup? Because lento kufuneka uyizwe kahle, akufuneki ukuthi ungayizwa le presentation engiyipresentayo ngoba ibalekile kakhulu empilweni yakho. Ibalekile nosipho uthi yanqamuka. Okay, but I've tried to change the network provider. Still, I was still experiencing the same thing even though I've tried to change the provider. But it's fine guys, so we'll try to catch it up on YouTube. Uma ngabe begazela nje manje we fika na YouTube, but let me go further ke nalento isi-right manje hayi ke sengishift ama-gears kancane yabo kubalulekile ukushift ama-gear so ke wena mongabe uyi-generator uthini ayizeni so kukuningana ongasakuzwanga hayi khululeka ngikagoqa nje nge-phrase nje eyodwa njengoba ngishilo ngathi njengoba sikhona singabantu sinala manje ama-model awu 4 njengoba siba ngake emhlabeni 4 only 4 generator, manifestor, projector, reflector. Ngase ngithi ama-generator and what they are here to be with, like they are here to be with they are basically labo bantu labo ekuthiwa ama-generators, they are the creators of this world. They are the creators. Labantu ababizwa ngama-generator ngobani? Banale into ekuthiwa i-life force energy le ekwazi ukucreator umntwana. They are having a life force energy kwi-sacral yabo, so that they are creative. Those people are creative and they are constituting u-70% we-humanity. Okusho ukuthi i-humanity njengoba ingaka nje u-70% of the humanity, they are the generators, meaning they are the creators. They are here to create, make new things to come into life, and they will experience into ekuthiwa i-satisfaction ngokwenza into abayithandayo. Uma kungenzekanga lokho, if they don't live ngendlela emele bephile ngayo, ibazo experience into ekuthiwa i-frustration. So okwazi ukuthi uma uyi-generator uhlangabezana ne-frustration empilweni yakho, kusho ukuthi you are not living as yourself. You have to do a self introspection ukuthi ikuphi la ungahambisanga khona kahle. You are not supposed to experience frustration in your life if you are living in accordance with the type that you are. Yabo? Kuma-generator wona ama-generator ahlukene kabili. Khona ama-generator bese kuba khona ama-manifesting generator. Yes. So ukuthi uyikuphi wena sokubona mase sesenza i-chart lakho. Kuba khona ama-manifesting generator kuwona ama-generator. Basically lapho sisuke sikhuluma ukuthi yabona i-aura yama-generators nje, these people that are called generators, i-aura yabo, they are having an enveloping aura. I-aura yabo is wide open, is enveloping, yabo. So umuntu lona ozizwa welcome the first time uhlangana naye, uzizwa welcome the first time uhlangana naye, i-aura yakhe ayinawo ama-boundaries. So you feel at home, you feel welcome, and people are drawn towards these people because they are having i-aura enjani that is not engavalelekile but ivulelekile. So their energy is welcoming and enveloping. Those are the generators. So they are having a very warm energy. So umuntu oyi-generator nje uyakwazi ukumsensa nje first day uhlangana naye ukuthi this is a generator, the way ozokwamukeleka ngayo kuyena, indlela ane-warmth ngayo, nendlela i-aura yakhe ayona i-aura evalelekile, yabona? So uma sikhuluma nge-signature ke, or before sikhulume nge-signature, ake sikhulume into ekuthiwa i-authority. Uzophila kanjani ke as yourself as a generator? Uphila kanjani as yourself as someone who is a generator in this world? I-generator, like guys, let's set the record straight, yabo, from the word go, right in stable. No one is supposed to take decisions on your behalf in your life, yabo. Just send a gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngokungisendela laphana i-gift. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. ekubhalwe kanjalo la kuthiwa I've just sent a gift that a beautiful lady over there. I-authority ne-decision making process and mechanism into yakho leyo. I-decision making, the authority should come from within. No one should tell you in this life what to do, when, yabo, maybe and how, because rather than to have an external authority to tell you how to live your life, which decision to take, which decision to make in your life, you have to make your own decision at your own pace, in your own time, by constantly engaging with your internal guidance, compass, direction. Le esokhuluma nangayo in due course, yabo. So let us take the decision making process ngaphandle siyilethe ngaphakathi. Kune kahle ngama authorities namhlanje, but ngizokhuluma ngawo next time. Ahlukene awu7 and now ngeyakho ekumele ukuthi ufocus kuyona uma ngabe wenza i-decision. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Well ke thank you Mam Kize, thank you so much. Now ngiyakho i-authority mechanism ekuwena that I should point out ukuthi this is what you should focus on or look up to when we are making a decision or when we are taking a decision. I should direct you. No one outside should do that to tell you how to live your life. So if we are listening to your internal authority, as a generator, sithike lapho uzoba nento ekuthiwa i-signature is satisfaction. Why uzoba ne-satisfaction? Because you are going to take the right decision at the right time to do the right thing that you're supposed to do. Nothing hurts more than seeing a person jumping the gun, jumping before he or she is pushed, starting the right thing at the wrong time, only to find out that this person will experience a burnout and a frustration because akalalelanga lento ekuthiwa i-compass direction, ulalele the external authority or people, and ngaleso sikhathi uzo experience into ekuthiwa i-burnout, i-frustration. But if you listen to your internal authority, your internal guidance, every time you are going to be guided to start to create something that you're supposed to create at the right time, and you are going to find yourself feeling satisfied, because that is the signature for abantu ababizwa ngokuthi bangama generator, but they are here to be satisfied by doing what they love to do. Because they are the energy type, so they really don't want to take their energy and waste it doing something that they don't like to do, because they are going to experience any frustration. But nevertheless, yini strategy ayisize kule nto strategy ke somuntu ekuthiwa i-generator. Strategy, some generators, people who are called generators, mind you, these people, they constitute 70% of the humanity, of the total humanity. They make 70%. So we are cabanga ukuthi sibaningi kanjani ke esingama generator. These people, they are going to be frustrated, they are going to be satisfied uma benza ngendlela ekumele benze ngayo. But yini strategy sabo empilweni? Strategy sabo empilweni to engage with life is to wait to respond. They need to wait to respond. they respond to life. People don't want to respond. If they don't respond to life, they are going to experience frustration in their lives. They are going to take the wrong decision at the wrong time because they did not wait. Umuntu generator is an energy type. Une energy nje ezelwe a creative force, a creative energy to create this world. Yabo? But kudingeka create into that is in line with him or herself. Uma kungenjalo engezukulalela the internal authority, uzoba frustrated, and uma eba frustrated kusho ukuthi akazange aze athi wait to respond. So if you're a generator, you need to wait to respond in life. You don't have to initiate. You don't have to jump. For an example, things will come to you. Mobile value are in energy type. Things will come to you automatically, and then you respond to them. Yazi ukuthi khona umuntu ozothi ngifuna ukuvula ibusiness. Ngifuna ukuvula ibusiness. Leli business lela afuna ukulivula. Alivule ngesikhathi nje wrong ngoba ka respondanga. Kodwa ubuke uinvolve lento ekuthiwa imind. Angithi human design we are releasing the powers that we have gave up to the mind. We are releasing it to the body, our internal authority, because the mind is a a device that has been programmed many years ago. So my decision, I take a decision based on the true trajectory of your life. It's a decision based on what you have been taught. What are the experiences you have come across in life? Ayithathe i-decision ehambelana nawe nezinto ekumele ukuthi uzoyi-experience kulo mhlaba ingqondo. So that is why we have to take out ingqondo kule process yokuthatha any decision. Maybe you want even to take a decision ukuthi ufuna ukushintsha umsebenzi. Akudingi ukuthi usebenzise u-involve ingqondo too much lapha ekuthenini ithini reasoning ne-rationality yakho ukuthi njengamanje ushintsha umsebenzi. You have to respond. You don't have to jump just because you can reason why you want to. Once you reason, once waqala wathatha i-decision making wayenza la wangalalela umzimba wakho, that is where you are going to get it wrong, because you are going to take the wrong decision or the right decision at the wrong time, but at the wrong timing. So once nje kwane process when you have to take a decision, because the authority is for a decision making process. Hi Masha, we greet you and welcome you in this live podcast, if it's a podcast or live streaming. Yabona lento ebizwa ngokuthi i-authority kumuntu eyokuthi how do you take decisions is for decision making process. The major decision of your life shouldn't be taken out of the mind. Authority is for making a decision. The strategy, what I called strategy, lokho okokuthi how do you engage with life? How do you engage with life? That is the strategy. The strategy some generators in is to wait and respond. People really don't wait. Ngoba next one, push, grind. And we are having so many generators in this world are frustrated. Why? They are doing the right things at the wrong time. They are just taking the decision at the wrong time. Maybe it is the right decision, but they are taking it in the wrong timing, because kunalendetini always push. You don't listen to your internal authority. You don't, is it the right time now to push? Yabo? Because your body will tell you, okay, it's the right time to push, because I'm going to provide you with the energy of pushing whatever we are pushing right now. But when we are pushing, it is not the time to push, because you need you really need to wait. While you are waiting, it's not that you are doing nothing in life while you are waiting. You are observing, because I said into ekuthiwa ini is strategy. You wait to respond, then okwakho wena iba conscious ukwazi ukubona ama hint ukuthi ja manje this is the right time for me to do this. Uzobona into hint anything ukuthi yabo njenga manje it is the right time for me to do this. Yabo, I don't know, maybe for an example kulesibonelo sokucabanga ushintsha umsebenzi. Ake ngithi uvela ucabanga ukushintsha umsebenzi, akusho ukuthi zama manje ukushintsha lowo msebenzi ucabanga ukushintsha. Akusho ukuthi njengoba usucabangile do it. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to respond to that, because if you think and do it because it suits your reasoning process, you think and do, your body will not going to provide you with the energy because you did not listen to it, and you are going to experience a frustration. So when yours was to be aware, okay, now I'm thinking of changing the job that I'm doing. Now be aware of that. Ama signs, anything ezoba sign ukuthi yes. Once you see, maybe someone will tell you, maybe kuzoqhamuka omunye aku-offerisha, don't you want lo msebenzi osendaweni ukuthi ukuthi ekuthini, things will automatically come. Yabo, awufuni umsebenzi mfethu, kunomsebenzi okanje yabo. Noma we are seeing a post advertised vacant somewhere in newspaper or so, wherever. Yabo, now lento ikutshelani a green light to go now, go, because you were aware ukuthi this is the hint now, yes. And by that time you see that hint, you have to listen to your internal authority. Your internal authority as a generator is the sacral down there. Ngikho kodwa kuma internal authority namhlanje, but the internal authority yomuntu oyi-generator is a gut feeling down there. Ukuze mawufuna ubona into noma ufuna ukwenza into uzizwe angathi there is a magnet that is pulling you towards doing this thing. You feel compelled to do this thing. You feel a gut in the now. I would you thinking about it. You feel it. I feel compelled to do it. But it's a gut feeling that is there in your sacral. If you are a generator, you listen to this. This is your internal authority that is called the what? A sacral. So now kuyayibona manje post noma uyamuzwa lo muntu uyaku-offerisha ngomunye umsebenzi, usuzolalela isacral yakho ukuthi ithini. Ithi sacral yakho yes, izokwenza umsindo othi if it's a yes. Makukuthi it's a no, uzoyizwa. It's like a gut feeling in the present moment. Yabo, it is a gut feeling in the present moment. Hayi ukuthi it's a gut feeling of isikhathi esizayo noma isikhathi esidlule. No, it is a gut feeling right now. It's ikutshela nje. If you listen to it, not listening to the mind, listening to your sacral, she'll tell you yabo, makuthi akumele uzoyizwa ukuthi wena awazi uyilalela. Mangabe kumele uthathe i-decision, you have never maybe listened to that sacral as a generator. If you are a generator, maybe for now you don't even know whether you're a generator or a manifestor or a projector or a reflector. You don't even know. But indaba ezimnandi ukuthi on Friday ngiyaqala ngifunda ama-chat abantu, ngenza ama-consultation on Friday. You book awuveli nje utheleke uyabhuka. Yabo, usazoyibona ini i-adverts, kodwa nje it is memezelo nje ukuthi on that 20 kanti Friday, it is the 21st Friday, ngizobe ngiqala ngireada ama-chat abantu. yabo. So inamba ngizoyikhipha, inamba ekudinga ukuthi ulokhu nje ngizoyikhipha. Maybe sawubona we ref B, hello, ngiyakubingelela. Yeah, the number for bookings akuyona le number le engilokhunjwa ngayo, engifonela ngayo. Mangathatha lo kuzoba dark la. Let me give you inamba ukuthi angikwazi ukubhala la escreenini mina. Ngabe ngiyabhala la escreenini, awuthi ngabe ngiyakubhalela la. Bhala kanjani? What? Ngibona ngize ngifuna ukubhalela la escreenini inamba ozobhuka kuyo uma ukuthi ufuna ukwenza ini i-chart reading. Kuthiwa ke angiboni kubhala lapha la, draw ebani line question and answer. Angiboni kubhala lapha. Hayi mina kusho ukuthi TikTok ke angaka develop ke kahle, ngoba kuyivelela ukuthi nje angenza ikhala lami libe likhulu noma libe lincane la. Angifuni ikhala elikhulu nelincane mina la, ngifuna ukubhala la. But ushaya kukho la, ngizobhala phi nana nisangisizi. Kodwa ke ngizoyenza ke i-post, ngizoyenza i-post, right? Ayikho into engivumela ukuthi ngibhale la. Ayikho into engivumela ukuthi ngibhale. It's fine, ayikho into engivumela ukuthi ngibhale. But inamba ke ukubhukhwa kuyona basically ngikutshele yona manje before siqhubeke nenkulumo yethu, ngoba sifuna abantu ukuthi benze izinto wrong ngempilo zabo ngesikhathi esirong, bese kuzoba nzima ukuphila lento uma ngabe ukuthi uswalo kunjwa kakhulu. Thank you Nomalanga for the gifts. Thank you so much Nkosazana. Thank you so much. Nansi le number le. Ngikala on Friday. Number kubukwa kuyona ithi ba 079 esithi 845 esithi 3962. Yes, 079 845 3962. Leyo number leyo inamba leyo yokubhuka basically, inamba leyo yokwenza ama bookings okuridelwa ini i-chart lakho ukuze sokhuluma kunjalo nje Mantombela. 079 845 3962 injalo. Nami ke sengisabele kwi-call ke, sengisabele kwi-call, angithi yabo, sengisabele kwini kwi-call. Yeah, for now uma uzobhala kuleyo number leyo njengamanje, let me see. Yeah, so ke i-booking ke in fact ukureader kuqala ngomhla ka 21. I believe ukuthi ubani loyo uFriday, yabo. Yeah, ilokho engingakusho. So kumele uthunyelelwa iform. I-process ngizoyichaza nganza kwethu. Okwanamhlanje ngicabanga ukuthi bekuyikona ukuthi ngikusho ukuthi sekuvulelekile lokho. Uzothunyelelwa iform, uzoligcwalisa bese send back, ngoba la akufanele kube ne-congestion, ngoba yonke into kumele yenzeke nge-order ngesikhathi sakhona, uthole isikhathi sakho uyinelise nawe ugculiseke. usendelwe ilento ukuze uzoconfirma ispace ukuthi ispace sikhona is available yini, bese ngiyakutshela izispace ezikhona nazi, yabo. Yeah, ilokho ke. Hayi, I doubt ukuthi khona okunye ke njengamanje bengenzeka ngaphandle kwalokho kokuthi chat reading opens on of uma ke uyi-generator, uyilo hlobo lomuntu kuthiwa uyi-generator akhala ekuwena, the internal authority. Believe you me, is why sinabantu la emhlabeni abaningi kangaka, they are frustrated. Abana ba-frustrated but badiniwe futhi ngaphe kwalokho. Izinto zabo azenzeki. They are not led to the correct trajectory. They are wasting their energy and they see ukuthi I'm doing all the best I can but I see no results. Yebo, fanele you try the best you can but you see no results because you are wasting the energy ngoba uzama into right maybe ngesikhathi strong. What qualifies you to take that action? What qualifies that? Ngicabange ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi this body, it has its own consciousness. Engakhuluma crystal, it's a design crystal. Ibody ikubeke kuphi empilweni ngasiphi isikhathi. Nansi into yazi angithi nansi wena ukuze ubonakale la ubonakala khona ukuze wenze yonke into oyenzayo empilweni wona lo mzimba futhi awufuni ukulalela, yabo. Kodwa futhi iwona experience ngawe izinto, iwona futhi ozoba umnandi mawudla ukudla, iwona ozoba umnandi ngithi yabo. You don't want to listen to the internal authority within you. Lento ekuthiwa wait to respond yama-generators, ngiyichazile ukuthi while you are waiting, you are conscious enough to see the hints and clues in your environment esho ukuthi go on now, it's a green light, sungakwenza lokho ufuna ukwenza, bese ulalela the internal authority ukuthi ithini nayo. Yes, ngeke izingenzeki into yakho, ngeke uzingaphumeleli into yakho, izophumelela noma ngabe kuthi ubuza amani uyi-creator noma ubuza amani ukwenza empilweni, ubuza amani ngoba ulalele into ekumele ukuthi uyilalele iyona engaphezulu kwakho nokucabanga kwakho. You are going to be led correctly ngoba kuyazi ukuthi wena lo generator unezinto ozozenza la, ozozicreate la emhlabeni wena, unezinto ozozicreate la emhlabeni wena. But lezi zinto ozozicreate, that's creative force and creative power. Kubalulekile phela ukuthi nesikhathi sikuvumele, kumele sikuvumele nesikhathi because isikhathi sakho sizofika vele anyway. But if isikhathi sakho sifika while you are not prepared for it, it is going to expose you. But if your time comes while you are prepared for it, it's going to nourish you, yabo. Khona abaze beyisho ngesingisi bathini, opportunity is when the preparation meets the bathini, success is when the opportunity meets the preparation, yabo. Kukangaki nje abantu bethola imali baphinde bayilose ngobani, ubengakabi bikho matured vele, wayithola imali yamfundisa lesson ukuthi wena awakabi ready ukungiphatha, wayifunda lesson but yena ngokwakhe was thinking ukuthi uready. Abanye they entered in things even though ke konke kusebenzelana kube kuhle, abanye bangene kuma relationships bazi bangena bazi ba dive deeper to the extent ukuthi azashade kodwa angacheck ukuthi inthini into yakhe, ushada yini le ethi seku-right manje ukuthi ashade, yini le ethi seku-right manje, akakucheckile lokho. Usebenzise ingqondo kuyona yonke into ayenzile, usebenzise ingqondo, the very same mind that has been programmed long time ago. Yazi omunye uzozo ethi uzozo kuthiwa awake ngithi nje uyashada noma uyashadelwa uyijongo la kwini, bese uza nalento ethi kwathi umfazi yasetshenzwa, umfazi kumele asetshenzwe, agcatshwe ngensila zakhe umfazi, khona uzomfuya abe khona la ukuze angakushiyi uyabiyela umfazi. Leyo nto, it has nothing to do with you basically. That is your program. Wena leyo nto leyo, it has nothing, that is the program that is playing. Okungasho ukuthi it's wrong or right, but is it in line with the person you are, with the things that you are here to do? Because you are going to do something that you are not supposed to do, and you are going to be in a tragedy because usebenzise in the program owayithola wini culture yakho, and experience in things that you were not supposed to experience that are not meant for you. Uyazi wonke umuntu ukuthi u-different la emhlabeni, wonke umuntu la emhlabeni u-different, wonke singama-individual and sinama rules angafani, awukho u-one size fits all. That is why mase sengirida i-chat lakho ngizobe ngirida mina into ewuwe, akekho omunye uwena okhona, akekho omunye umuntu ozokwenza izinto ezizokwenziwa wuwe la emhlabeni. In fact awuzele ukuzosafarisha la emhlabeni, ngiyabo. So njengoba ngizobe ngirida i-chat lakho ke mina ngizobe ngilirida ngokwezinto ozalwe nazo, ngizobe ngilirida ngokwezinto ozalwe nazo ezinguwe lezo zinto lezo, noma ungayiphikisa noma ungazivuma, aziyindawo zingezakho wena okwakho ukuthi you have to learn to live with those things in a harmonious way. MT Nzima mfowethu, ngiyakubingelela mfokanzima, sikwi-human design namhlanje, long time no see. In fact bengizoshiya isimemezelo nje namhlanje njengoba kumsombuluko, ngikhava isikole sokuthi bekumele ngisishiyele isimemezelo ngoSunday, sokuthi I'm reading charts. Sengiqalile, engasho sengiqalile, I will start on the 21st of March to read your charts. Lento esithi yini, i-body graph noma ini i-chart lakho lokuzalwa nani, ngokunjalo into eziningi ayingayikhulumi lento le uyibona seyenzeka, ngoba ngizobe ngikhuluma ngezinto ozalwe nazo, o-conscious of zona neongazazi, ozaziyo nongazazi, kodwa ngizokukhanyisela ukuthi ubo ingakho mina uma ngabe nginabantu ngizithola sengiyisi kwi-position sekuyimina kumele ngibafundise, yabo, ngizithola sengikwi-position esekumele ngibafundise. Ingakho mina umndeni hlezi umndeni wami uzokhala kimi, abangani bami bakhala kimi mabe nenkinga, njalo bakhala kimi, umndeni wami ukhala kimi, yabo. Ingakho mina ngiwumuntu nje othandayo ucorrect i-past imbalance, yabo, zonke lezo zinto ukhanyisa u-torchlight izinto owazalwa nazo, yabo. So that was the message. Today I spoke about, ngiyabona ama comments enu, I spoke about authority, which you listen to the authority, ama generators, isacral la, it's a gut feeling ezothi makumele uyenze into ezothi makungamele, ungenayo isho ithi ayinayo isho. Ila it's a gut, it's like a gut in the present moment, hayi kusasa, hayi izolo, into esuyizokwenzeka njengamanje, yabo. Ngakhuluma ngani nge-strategy ukuthi wena uyi-generator you will have to wait to respond to life. You don't have to jump every time. You have to jump before you are pushed, ngoba we are going to experience frustration. Ngakhuluma nge-signature ukuthi if you have listened to the authority that is within you and you have applied the strategy of waiting to respond to life that is coming to you, you are going to experience into ebizwa ngokuthini satisfaction in your life by doing something that you love, like to do, and you experience what? Satisfaction in life. Uthi-ke uMaNgcobo laphana, how much to chart reading, how much to do the chart reading. Basically uzokuthola lokho kwi-form, but because we are not here for profit, uzobona ukuthi into engatheni, because we are trying to add value. Ngoba into ongayikhokheli value, you tend to take it for granted, and my time phela nami kumele ukuthi sibe sikhokhelwa ngithi, yabo. But at the same time you are adding value to what I'll be giving you, yabo. So into engatheni fana nokuthi umnikele, but uzokubona kwi-chart, uzokubona kwi-form mangabe uso requesta i-form. Kuhlukile kulokhu kwama-horoscope lokho, kuhlukile ke mfokanzima kulokhu kwama-horoscope lokhu, ngoba lento engikhuluma ngayo into edidiyelwe le, engathathanga isystem eyodwa njengokuthi izothatha isystem ebizwa ngokuthi i-astrology. No, i-involve i-astrology, i-involve i-chakra, i-Hindu chakra system, i-involve i-Kabbalah, i-involve i-quantum physics, i-involve i-biogenetics, yabo. I-involve i-Chinese I Ching, the book of change, that is 5,000 years. That is the book of change. It's a sacred book of China that is more than 5,000 years old, yabo. So in that detail to make sure ukuthi iba as accurate as possible. Ngicela ukuthi ngiphike kodwa ngiyanazi ukuthi njani. Let me not say this, I know you. Laba bangenayo ngiyanibingelela, mgaza wethu ngiyanibingelela, ngiyanasharisha, thathani indawo zenu. Into ekhona bekumele ngibhale la mina la ukuthi on the 21st we start to read your chart. We start to do the chart reading. Akuyona ihoroscope. Hamba kakhulu ya kuthiwa ungabohamba kakhulu lapha Nceko. Nawe unezinto ezikhona uphathiswe zona abantu abafuna ukuzizwa. Kusuke kumgqibelo ke Nceko yami okusuke kumele ukuthi mhlambe uma ucuphe ngakhona, ngoba umgqibelo kusuke ngowe spirituality vele. Masithi spirituality so esivulelekile kuyona yonke into, but Sunday specifically for the human design system, ngoba isystem nayo le enkulu kakhulu le engikhuluma ngayo ye-human design engisuke ngikhuluma ngayo Sunday, yabo. So Sunday kusuke kungowayo nje kahle kahle. Kuyenzeka ugcine siyiphuma ke indaba esandleni, uthothi sengiqedile ukukhuluma ngayo sekugcina mhlambe sekungene ezinye izinto, yabo. Yabo nje uqinisile ke Mthoko nje ngoba yethu sonke we have izinto for each other, ngithi yabo. Uqinisile nje, uqinisile kakhulu. Bonke abantu abala bazalwe nama-talent neziphiwo, bonke laba abantu abala phela nje ukuthi they don't dive within. Maybe uma ngase ubuze nje omunye ukuthi wena, do you know yourself? When do you know yourself? How much do you know yourself? Azazi ukuthi kuphi, what are your talents? Akazi ezinye zonke izinto emele sidile nazo lezo. So to share ukuthi wena, this is the guideline, because energetic blueprint angithi uyazi ukuthi indlu ine foundation hambe ngayo ukuze kube indlu ephelele. Uma wayilahla wena ngokwe foundation, uma wena usungasanyusi ngokwe foundation, yabo, structure nje ukuthi le ndlu le kumele ime kanjani, siqala lapha. So manje lento engizokhuluma ngazo manga read the charts lakho, ngikhuluma ngokuthi oyiyo wena structurally before you fika kusekhona umzimba before kungene wena as a consciousness. They did that were created, yabo, for you, ubese uphuma nazo, yabo. Wonke umuntu la unama-talent neziphiwo bekumele bonke, kodwa manje umhlaba indlela odesigne ngawo it's like kumele ukusebenza one size fits all kona wonke umuntu, yabo. Agcina uthi uMaNgcobo ngabe wagcina uyitholile i-quantum warrior, yabo. ngayibhala iQuantum Warrior bengikhethe le ncwadi ekuthiwa i-Atomic Habits. iQuantum Warrior izongena phakathi kwilento kwi-library yami, izongena nje kwi-library yami, but nje ngayibhala ikhona laphaya kwilento le intweni ekusamele ukuthi ngize njani ngizithole. Ngoba mina ngiyabhala kakhulu, i-notebook ngiyayisebenzisa ngizipheqepheqe ku-9 ziningi incwadi ezikhona la umuntu ekusamele ukuthi athi go through zona. Ukuthi impilo kuyilento eyiyona ekugcineni guys, kumele ukuthi sigcine siyekile ukuthi kusetshenziswe sigqilazwe, kusetshenziswe energy yethu ihlafunwe njengechephisi ithi masiphela ushukela bese ilaxazwa lapha, setshenziswa ama-capitalist, singafezekisi amathalente ney'kills zethu esizalwe nazo bese siyakhokhelwa ngazo. Thina sisetshenziswa ukufezekisa amaphupho abanye abantu, thina awethu, thina amaphupho amile, sidayisa isikhathi sethu, sibuya sikhathele siwudaka. Awukwazi ngisho ukufocus entweni yakho wazalwa nayo ukuthi wena mhlambe uyi-motivational speaker, wena mhlambe uyi-financial advisor, wena mhlambe uyinto ethile, awukhoni ngisho ukuthi go through wenze research ethalenteni lakho. Ngoba siyoseva uhulumeni lapha 626, siyoseva ongqiwa nkulu lapha 626. Amathalente ethu acindezelwe, sikwi-corporate siyasebenza nje, bese siqeda lapho i-energy yethu sidliwe kanjalo, bese siyakhishwa, ukhishwe nemadlana ongezukwazi ngisho ukuthenga ngisho i-fortune. Ngalowo mali ususebenze 40 years awukhoni ngisho ukuthenga i-fortune cash. Kodwa ngethalente lakho bekumele angabe u-abundant, ngethalente wanikezwa lona wena, ngeskill wanikezwa bekumele ngabe u-abundant. Manje ngenxa yokuthi ulandela i-mechanics le, i-illusion le, imaya le, bese ibu one size fits all nakuwena, bese ungasakwazi wena ukulandela inhliziyo yakho nepassion, bese ungasakwazi ukwenza lokho. Bese ufundisa ukuthi kumele ufunde, uqede, uhambe uyofesa, usebenze, uretire, uhlale phansi. Yes, kune narrative nje eqondile okumele utshelwe yona. Funda, hambe uyosebenza, shadelwa, shada, ube nomuzi nezingane, uthola amaloni, khokhe back amaloni, akugcina usemsebenzini for more than enough, uwakhokha lawo maloni, you are being used. La wawuzele ukuzoqhakambisa amathalente ozalwe nawo, la uzoseva i-humanity ngamathalente akho, la wazalwa ufumbethe, yabo. Kodwa manje uzithola usetshenziswa uba yisigqili. Bangaki nje abantu abenze into abangayithandi, abenze imisebenzi abangayithandi inhlobo, abayizwa ngisho egazini. They never even thought themselves doing the work they are doing right now, they never. And abanye uthola ukuthi kuyasho ngisho nasenhlizweni yabo ukuthi yazi ukuthi lento le vele lento engiyenza la ngiyayenza ngoba ngifuna imali, kahle kahle ngiyayenza ngoba ngifuna imali. Kodwa nje ayona into engathi le kumele ngabe ngiyayenza ngoba ayi-resonate nami. Babanjwe yi-fog lapha enzima. Yeah, kodwa ke so highlighter, so torchlighter, yeah, so highlighter nje ngolokhu njalo singaxhumana futhi ngo-Saturday. Sifuke sivulelele ku-spirituality nje in its vastness, yabo. Njoba abantu bayavuma nje obusho nje niyavumelana eyes nonzima, there's too much noise. Manje umbuzo omkhulu, if there is too much noise, how do you filter the noise? How do you know this is what I have to do, this is what I don't have to do? Angithi yabo, you really need a mechanics that will make you to safe within the illusion, within the fog. You really need the mechanic, because should I go or should I stay? I-decision yalapho ingakuthatha ikubeke kwenye indawo. If you go, you may land up somewhere else. If you stay, you may also land up somewhere else. And the question is, what qualifies you to go? What qualifies you to stay? Yini ekutshela ukuthi yes, go now, stay now. So you are guessing in life. And if you are guessing in life, umuntu ogesayo will hit on everything. Will hit, because you don't have a target, will hit on everything. Kunjalo siphephele uthi kunjalo. Bese uyafuhlafuna njengechephisi usetshenziswa ukunxiwa ikhanye onxiwa nkulu or bese beyakuhlafuna bese bekulahla lapha. They don't even care. Ama-talent akho awanorishiwe ama-talent akho. Awanorishiwe umuntu ama-talent. Awazi nanokuthi la I am definitely sure. Yabo lento engikutshelele yona. It's a tip of an iceberg. Ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi there are 4 types of people. It's a tip of an iceberg. Yabo? So manje ngizwe mfowethu ukuthi mhlambe imuphi umyalezo ofisa ukudlulisa but ngaphambi kokuba ngikudedele ngicela ukuthi ngaphambi ngiqale ngibuke la lo 1 2 of sekungaqelaza ayize ngiyaku usidlulisele yona sesikhathi.
Awu mfowethu Akash, ngikubamba inkonzo. Manje ususuka washini.
Hayi.
Izinto zami sezala imali. Uma ekhuluma into edonsayo la kule internet yami ngiyavibrate. Ukubeka nje u1 cent kulento obuqeda kuyibuza ukuthi how do you know if I should go? How do you know if I should stay? Yabo?
Why?
So mina ngolwazi lwami oluncane loyo mbuzo kumina uyi-answer because for everyone ola kule life singasho ukuthi abanye nje usixoshekile umnikazi wodaba usekhona oyamehlo phaya ngiyezwakala manje
useright ezwakala.
Okay ngithi for everyone ola kule live ekhona abanye bangasho ukuthi 3 months back they were not here but bala manje omunye angathi coincidence ukuthi it just happened ukuthi I was just browsing through yabo but ngolwazi lwami oluncane for anything and everything that happens ayikho into eyenzakalela mahala ngisho uhlangene lohlangana nalemgaqweni luyimet lwama-coordinate ukuthi you just happened to be there at the right time at the right place. If you stand kuleyo ndawo osuke kuyona and you read every information ekhona impilo noma nejeni ofanele kuyona ama-sign wonke asuke kwakho. So impilo kahle kahle iyi-puzzle wena okwakho is to collect pieces to come with one picture ye-purpose yakho but i-purpose ilapho phakathi kuwena. You just can't. Ishe sithi imali izwa enye iyeza nebhenki likunika imali ngoba unemali uma ungenamali ngeke likunika imali because uzoyikhokha kanjani imali ngenayo. So ngeke umthwalise umuntu ongathwele ingoba uthwele vele. So it's simple ukuthi yonke into empilweni iku so the best way ngiye ngisuggeste ngayo eliminator ilontuja umsindo khona lokho enithi yini manje self introspection khona into eyenzekayo kule nto ye self introspection where when you speak with yourself uziphikise uziqambela amanga uzitshela iqiniso kodwa uphinde uthi hayi no it's just me thinking too much so sekuwena uziconvince ke lapho ke udlala ngawe kodwa iqiniso sokulizwile. So umuntu uyazi uma ukhuluma naye yibona abakhetha ukuziba. Mina lokho sengize ngakuprova in the sense of singakhulumi-ke nge-spirituality per se, but I've noticed ukuthi ma ube nenhlanhla wambulelwa noma waboniswa ngokomcabango noma ngokwesibonakaliso sento ekungenzeka ukuthi yenzeka noma ngabe iyinkinga empilweni or kini or general in life, abantu abadala tend to come with such words athi umuntu, yazi ngathi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi yakenza leyo nto. Abanye baba ne-anger, they tend to be angry when you ask ama-questions ukuthi, hawu ngicela ukubuza, ngabe ukhona umuntu la ekhaya owayenje? They tend to ukuthi babe ne-anger. Why does that happen? It's because ubakhumbuza izinto abasebekhethile bona ukuthi abafuni ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bazikhumbule. So it means they are aware, but ukhuluma ngento umuntu angayithandi. Kufana nomuntu uma uzombuza into athi, can you just drop the topic? Lento yama-topic, you don't have to like the topic. Yabo? You just have to be honest with it. Wena okwakho is to state the fact. Into njengoba iyona injalo. Bese uyikhipha lento esithi ama-emotions. Because that's the only way okwazi ukuguqula isimo nokwazi ukushintsha noma ulungisa impilo yakho. You just have to say things as they are. Look at them from the outside to see yourself from the inside. But if wena uzoba umuntu obalekela iqiniso njalo mekukhulunywa ngezinto ube uncomfortable, kuba nzima ukuthi usizakale nokuthi uzithole, because the truth is always there but you choose to ignore it. So ngingasho nje mina ukuthi best way hamba ohlala ngaphansi kwesihlahla lapha emakhaya la kuzothi ikhala khona inyembezi, uzobe ubona something either ngawe noma ngekini, kodwa lelo kini lizophinde likukhumbuze ubuwena, because konke kukuwena, it's part of your genes. Ingakho-ke thina-ke bakwa-spirituality sinesikhathi kamereni size siyibize ngama-loner ngesingisi. It's not because we are lonely, it's because we are going through ourselves. We are being taught, we are being told ukuthi kukanje ngenxa yokuthi. It gives you an understanding so that you can position yourself better ngokwe-assignment osuke uyinikeziwe empilweni yakho. So sinama-assignment angafani-ke, yabo. But uba ne-self fulfillment uma usuyi-understanda eyakho emaqondana nawe, kwenza ukuthi ungathikamezeki kalula noma uhlangana nomunye umuntu. Une-journey yakho as u-changes. Khona la ngifika khona mina ngisho ukuthi okay, yabona-ke la usezokhuluma isingisi ku-changes ngoba ukhuluma u-consciousness, mina ngisazi isilungu. But it gives me i-room yoku-understanda. Then the limit. Mina personally angikholelwa kulokho. Ngiyazi ukuthi the sky is the limit, because khona la sihamba sigcina khona as abantu, yabo, noma siyemanzini la khona la sigcina khona ukuthi asikwazi ukudlula beyond nangokomqondo, ngokungalingani kwethu. Okwethu uku-understand ukuthi yabona la manzi, they are too deep for me. So this thing changes ugood kuyona ngokomqondo wakhe nokuba elastic kwawo. So there's nothing wrong with ukubuza ku-changes. We-changes yenziwa kanjani into ethile? It doesn't mean ukuthi uzibukela phansi. It means uyazi-understand. And u-changes okwakhe ukuthi akunikeze le ngxenye wena ongenayo, because naye khona ingxenye. Ngisho ungafunda uzuzuwe ushayeke phansi, umqondo ka-changes, ama-patterns, i-brain, indlela umqondo wakhe ohlakazeke ngayo nempande yekhanda ngendlela ngayo, it will never be the same, like it or not, because that's what makes you changes into ayiyona. Otherwise singaba copy and paste sonke phela. La i-assignment yakhe, i-journey yakhe.
Asikwazi ukulona, asikwazi kahle. Yabona uqinisile lento oyishoyo, ilento ebengikade ngicabanga ukuthi taking it njengoba ungena njengamanje usifica sikhuluma lento ye-human design, bese ngiyasho ngithi mina, if I'm reading something, I'll be checking umuntu as an individual, because i-consciousness cannot be relinquished. Angazi ukuthi kunjani ukuba omunye umuntu, ngisho kungakhona umuntu ofana nami ngqo nanoma ingani, kodwa lento ekuthiwa i-consciousness, i-subjective experience of life, i-only peculiar to me. Ngisho singafana kanjani, ngisho that is why ngisho ngingaba close kangakanani nawe, kodwa angeke ukuze kwenzeke ukuthi ungithelele ngezinto ekumele ukuthi ungithelele ngazo eziphathelene ne-personal journey yakho, if mina ngingayilandeli i-personal journey yami. Iyo lento yenza ukuthi abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi uma beshaya u-copy and paste ngezimpilo zabanye abantu, maybe nabo bazo-enjoya le mpilo le e-enjoya yilowo muntu lo am-copy and paste-ayo, akhohlwe ukuthi yena i-compass direction ilanga kuyena ngaphakathi. Yizona zonke izinto lezo esobe sikhuluma ngazo kusukela ngomhla ka-21 kuya phambili.
Hayi, nami bengithi angitshontshe nje kulelo ukuthi umuntu akayinikeze isikhathi sokuthi azibheke yena. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi it's not a matter, you don't have to like, yabo, you don't have to like lento ozoyithola, but you just have to be honest with it. Uhlale nayo leyo nto, uyilalele bese uzibuka wena ukuthi wena-ke kuleyo nto-ke ekhulunywa wena inside of yourself. Uyabona, abanye bakubiza ngamagama ahlukile, abanye bathi onembeza, yabona, abanye bathi moya. Bese akutshela nje ukuthi hayi ubhedile-ke changes lapha, uphinde ukubuze na ukuthi ngibhede kanjani, kukunika isizathu wena, kuphendule wena entweni ebishaya wena, futhi kuphinde kukunika isolution futhi kona, uphinde uthi hawu kanti ngihlulwa into elula kanje, uthi uya-attempta leyo nto siyasebenza. So ama-answer amaningi alapho kuwena.
That's what we call internal authority. Kule study lesi esikhuluma ngaso namhlanje, lokhu ukhuluma ngakho, ngiyabona lapho u-Eyes ukuthi is very fascinated by ubukhona bukaMfokanzima la. Is very fascinated, uyasho ukuthi cha uphathisiwe into zakhe engathi uyayithola. Siyaye sikubize nge-internal authority la kuthina, ngoba njengoba kade ngikuchazela nje ukuthi i-study lesi esididiyelwe uma ngabe uzokwenza into eyi-system uthi ufuna iphilise abantu bese ukhohlwa ancient text amadala, ama-ancestors ethu, ungawakho-ordinate, ugxile kuphela entweni kuyitadi zamanje, o-physical science no-quantum physics, uyale bese ukhohlwa izinto ezi-ancient ezina 5,000 years, 6,000 years. Lapho usuke ukhohliwe ngoba namhlanje kuthiwa i-human design iyayithinta leyo nto ukuthi eyibiza ngokuthi i-internal authority. Wena ukuthi okwakho kumele uthi turn inwards kuyona, ngoba iya ukuthi isho ukuthi lana-ke phela ukuthi wena uyayiziba. So-ke bona bayibiza ngamagama amaningi njengobusha, abanye feeling umuntu igazi lami like langitshela and all those things, but uthi yenzakala ikhole lento le osukuyizwa kuwena.
Sikubiza ngalento okuthiwa awu asesiphuza amanzi afanayo manje. Thina ngapha sikubiza
lokho
ngiphuza kona nami ngapha. Ngidla kona nje. Ngapha sikubiza lokho ngalento ekuthiwa umndiki nomndawe. Lokho othi uthe yini lokho okukhala la kumagathi lapha lokho
lokho sikubiza ezansi, ngicabanga umndawe ezansi,
sisho njalo-ke. Kodwa nayo-ke into la ifika ibe bucayi khona, siba bucayi ngalamagama esesiwasebenzisa. Usozocabanga ukuthi isangoma, sonke siyizangoma. Akekho ngesona, ukuthi esinye sihlola ngamathambo, omunye uhlola ngekhanda ngomcabango. Kwenzeka ngey'ndlela ey'ngafani. Wena usebenzisa umqondo nawe ngithi hey changes ngixakekile ebhizinisini kanje, bese uthi wena yini ungazami ukwenza kanje. Usungihlolile lapho, usube umngoma lapho ey'ntweni zamabhizinisi. Mina sengihlukile kunawe. Omunye uzohlola, uyabona, kodwa sidla imithi ethi ayifane kwi-base bese ihluka ngokujula kwayo ukuthi khona ku-changes unemimoya lo akanayo. So asikwazi ukufaka imithi impande yemoya ku-changes ngoba uzohluleka ukuthepha into that energy cause of i-physical structure nama-chakras akhe angeke akwazi umuthi omhlophe o-basic ongenazo. Kodwa bese ngekho-ke lapho-ke bengizama ukukutshengisa nje ukuthi sonke kwi-base siyalingana.
Ngine-suggestion la ngoba
Hhayi
Nephiwe nje ngine-suggestion la besalalele nje no-Eyes ukuthi on Saturday if the situation permits on Saturday ukuthi sibe nawe uyibuka le ye-spirituality ngale perspective oyibuka ngayo some sort of I don't want to say i-podcast but i-dialogue or discussion, angithi yabona?
Ngisekhona ngilalela.
So nginqamukile-ke wemfokanzima. Sibe on Saturday sivele siyicane kahle ngoba asikaze la basically ngokwe-Western spirituality nangokwe-African spirituality asikaze integrate in terms terminology ne-relationship. So I think mhlambe on Saturday ukuthi sikwazi ukuyi-coordinate because nawo lama-chakras mhlawumbe ungahamba ugcina ususichazela wona ngoba namagama awo futhi esiZulu esingakwazi sirelate nawo. How about ukuthi on Saturday sibe nento efana naleyo?
Hayi mina nginankinga, yize-ke ngingakajuli nami ngisho lokhu engisuke sengikwambulelwe, uyabona, njengawo amagama lawa ama-chakra esiZulwini. Hhayi ulimi esiye silisebenzise nje, abanye phela kuya ngokujula kwesiZulu. Yikho njengoba ngisho ukuthi omunye uzothi isifuba, iqolo, uyabo, iqolo, ikhanda, umqala. Ngikwenzela nje izinto ey'lula ukuthi uma ibhekwa into yakho sizwa thina sidonsa wena, uyabona, ngoba umuntu uyi-energy, yabo. Mina ngidonsa wena ukuthi njengoba ngihleli nawe la, yikuphi la ngikudonsa khona kubuhlungu khona kumina. Yingakho kuzozwa ama-term ngizosho nje ngizokwenza isamara ngisho ukuthi sengihlambalaza abantu. Uyohlezi changes esikhathini esiningi mawuza umuntu ehlola umuntu uzoshiya into ey'jwayele, iqolo, khona into engene ngonyawo, ikhanda, yabo. Akajuli ukuthi athi kuwena yazi uma ngibuka ithumbu lakho kodwa kulokho ngikusho bakhona abajula ngaleyo ndlela kodwa babaliwe. Uyayibona lento engiyishoyo? Yilaba engithi mina yilaba engibabiza ngama-X-ray, odokotela labo bani ngifuna ukusho leli gama lezulu, odokotela bomdabu labo, ngoba umuntu ngesintu sakwantu akahlinzwa, umuntu wayebhekwa ngaphakathi ngoba umuntu unjengani, unjenge-device umuntu ngokwesintu kahle kahle. Uma ngithi uyi-device ngiqonda ukuthi uma umhlola ubheka la kune-fault khona ukuthi ugesi womuntu ujama kuphi. Yingakho umzimba wakho urawunda wakha i-circulation. So if there's anything eyinkinga emzimbeni, it means the circulation iphazamisekile ngama-influences amaningi adalwa wena, indlela ocabanga ngayo, i-pace yakho, ukudla okudlayo, uyayibona lento engishoyo. Meke kwakhona ukuphazamisa ngoba ngisho inhliziyo yakho indlela eshaya ngayo meke yaphazamiseka leyo sequence, ngesikhathi uvuka esibhedlela sewushintshile wena, awusafani nakuqala. Ingakho abantu kuthiwa hayi lokhu abuye engozini yemoto akasafani nakuqala, kwaphazamiseka i-sequence. That one beat, lolu uva lokushaya luthi ququ, luyayishintsha impilo yakho because umuntu uyi-sequence, uyi-energy mhlawumbe esinolwazi oluncane, iyona information esidlala ngayo leyo. Mhlawumbe ake ngikwenzele umzekelo olula. Ake sithi ufunwa izitha, uyayibona into engishoyo. Izitha zakho ziyohlangana nawe endaweni ethile ngesikhathi esithile ngosuku oluthile endaweni ethile esuke isidizayiniwe manje ekhona. Thina-ke into esiyenzayo sikunikeza izinto ezizophazamisa i-sequence ukuze ningahlangani endaweni eyodwa. Ila usuthi khona wena khona into ethi angiphume ngala. Ila khona sekufanele uphume endlini ukhishwe yisisu. So we are delaying isikhathi because sizama ukuthi wena manje ngento okhulumayo, ngento oyenzayo, so that at some point zonke lezi zinto zizohlangana at a place at a certain time. So each and every day or every second or every time umnyakazo namagama owenzayo, njengoba ngikhuluma nje la, two things are happening. Khona isitha esila, kukhona futhi umuntu osizakalayo khona la. Isitha ilesi esingayithandi lento engiyishoyo ukuthi lento ayikhulumayo lo muntu uzosuka avula abantu ingqondo. Ojabulayo yilo ovulekayo ukuthi hawu sengiyakwazi ukuthi ngi-understande kangcono, kodwa konke kwenzeka manje. Nesitha-ke kusasa siyakwazi ukufika sisongqongqoza kona sizocela usizo. Hayi sifuna usizo, sifuna ukuzokubheka ukuthi uyasibona yini. So into yempilo ijule to that point ukuthi it's more of understanding yourself better. Kodwa kufanele uzazi ukuthi njengoba uzi-understanda you come from somewhere, khona ama-weapons onawo vele. Ama-weapons that are the best that you have ila ozalwa nawo. Awokuqala lawo. Amanye-ke you go and collect them. So you'll start maybe uchanges uzokupha indlela yoku-approach izinto ngokwe-perspective. You will never be like him, but uzokunikeza umqondo wokubuka ibhokisi from a certain type, from a certain perspective. So you collect that along your journey because you'll use that somewhere else. Kanjalo
is very vital. Ngicela ukuthi ungawuqedi wonke umsoco njengamanje. Ngicela ukuthi sivumelane ukuthi i-deal esiyenzile.
Hayi bekuhlele nje mfethu ungathi nje le information nje kodwa phela iyafika leso sikhathi sixoxa mase kuphela live inyamalala iyophinde iqhamuke futhi sixoxe.
Hayi mfethu ayiqhamuke onisasa nje sibonga kakhulu.
Sengibaleka nje mina mfethu engihlezi ngisho na changes ukuthi before uphume uze kuthina nathi siphume sekwabanye abantu, qala la usuka khona, qala ekhaya. To simplify it, ingane ilashwa ekhaya. Ungaphuma manje ngisho ukuthi uthanda spirituality yabo, mawuyohlola inkinga ozotshelwa yona yakini, ngeke utshele inkinga yasemzini yabantu. Bazothi sebeqeda ukuhlola kuthiwa hamba uye ekhaya ufike utshela uma wakho nobaba wakho. So you must, lokho kusho ukuthi the best place to look for anything is within you. So ikhaya lila kuwena la usuka khona, because into yamoshakala kini. Lokho kwenziwa wena, ngithi sengiyasonga vele, walala nentombazane wena yakushiya nesigcwacu. Into eyenzeka wena lapho was that ngesikhathi ikushiya nesigcwacu wena waphula umthetho wakini. So ukuze silungise lento wena you must go kini uyoxolisa ukuthi uphumile emgqeni wempilo yakini. So that's why you must go home. mina ngingakuthatha mina ngiyokufaka laphana ngaphansi kwempophomo, akunankinga, uzofika ugeze ngikunika umuthi. But bakulindile kini ukuthi cha sisakulindile mfowethu awukakezi la ekhaya. Ngoba phela there's no place like home, hence why thina singafi siyagoduka, we go back home. Uyobuyela kini uyochaza ukuthi la kade uthunywe khona, which is here, ufike wenzani. So that's why-ke uma uphambana nomthetho wakini, uma uzalwa abathakathi, uma ufuna ukusindiswa uyashona, uba ney'nkinga because manje baxayiwe la bantu bakini abathakathayo ukuthi nangu umuntu inkosi yami eyoyifaka enkosini. Uma uzalwa amakhola usuthakathi uyashona, yindaba na uphambana nekini. So it's not an easy thing to do because kula egazini lakho, iy'nkinga zakho zila egazini. So you fix your blood nge-diet yokudla okudlayo, iy'nkulumo oba nazo nabanye abantu ukuze igazi lakho libe clean. But best place, look within yourself, qala ekhaya. Ilokho nje.
Hi, well said. You ate and left no crumbles. You left no stone unturned. Mfethu, angazi, I'm speechless. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nabantu abakhona la kwi-panel they are feeling the same. You are always contributing positively and in a way that is elevating our level of consciousness. Mfethu, sibonga kakhulu nje ngesikhathi sakho.
Awuthi ngibaleke ngingaze ngishawe.
Danke mfowethu. Yeah. Nizizwele ke nganza kwethu. Sinakho sekusendeka i-invite laphana, angazi sendeka kubani ngephutha. Sorry. So for sending an invite to be a guest, but again, if you feel like being, you can be a guest, you can request. But nevertheless, guys, ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba seku-9 nje manje ngiphume kahle impela vele ke lo ngishilo athi angiphilile impela, ngiyaziqinisa. Yabo nje kuyimanje ngizizwa ngigodola ngokusezingeni eliphezulu, kodwa ngiyashisa bhe, yabo umkhuhlane. Nami yabona-ke eyes kancane kancane, slowly but surely bafethu sizoyinqoba lento ne, sizoyinqoba nje impilo, sizoyinqoba. Siyabonga kakhulu wemthoko mfethu, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. What is happening la? Funeka ngi-co-hoste angiyisebenzi lento yoku-co-hosta mina, lento yoku-co-hosta angiyisebenzi okwamanje, angiyisebenzi. Yebo, yeah. Boss lady, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ulenza kwethu sikhumbule ukuthi uma ukuthi uzokwazi YouTube on changes Akasha, yeah, yona nto. Lastly, again, we read siqala umhla ka-20 Friday, angingasho, ngicabanga ukuthi my check so Friday umhla ka-21. So inamba ke akuwukuthi uyayi WhatsApp iform ukuthi nje urequest ungathi hi, can I have a form, simple, hlale endabeni leyo, hayi ukuthi usende voice notes, bhala, yabo. Ngiyazi ngekhanda ithi 079. Thank you so much for it. 53962 or request the form. Lapha kwi-form uzolibona iform lizobe lisho ukuthi because we are only 5 people per week yabo. That's what is happening. Yabo into yethu kumele ukuthi ibe ne-order konke kokunye-ke suke sesiphuma afterwards. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu changes ngokusikhulisa, ngiyabonga kakhulu nami mamkhize uma ngabe ukuthi khona engushoyo ukwakha I wanted to speak about your influence. Oh, ngithe mangithi ngiyakubamba waphunyuka ezandleni njengensipho emanzi washebeleza kanjalo. But inamba ke ngayibhala la inamba eMangcobo le engikhuluma ngawo ithi kanjena ele ngiyazi ngekhanda le namba hayiso lo ngenza kanje ithi ke 079 84 bayibhala kodwa lapha 45 3962 39. It is Eastern spirituality. Yeah, you may say that. Mina Mangcobo ngesikhathi I never knew ukuthi khona i-West mina nje ukuthiwa kwase West lokho mani ya ukuthi abanye bab Turkey umphela